Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat key. That's how to play the mini game puzzle and unlock the key. Today is 30th July 2024. So let's go ahead and get that key. First thing you do is to go to mini game here. First of all, when you open your Hamster Kombat, it will be in default, which is like this. So you go to mini game here and click on it. When you click on the mini game, you wait for this thing to load. So it says move market candles and get keys. So when you're able to move these candles, these red and green candles, and then let this key here out of this exit, so out of this box through this exit, then you get the key, you claim it. So once you click on this play here, your time will start counting. So let's go ahead and get the key. The first thing you do is to move this green. Just watch slowly as I play the mini game and then unlock it. You can go back and play and watch the video again to learn how to unlock the key or play the puzzle. That's it. As you can see, it has successfully ticked good, showing that we've successfully claimed the key and we're able to play the mini game very well and on time. Remember, you have limited time to play this mini game. So that's it for today's video. Watch and implement. Make sure you play the mini game. You can play the video over and over again to get the mini game, how to play the mini game. That's it for today's video, guys. Watch, like, subscribe, play the mini game, get your key, and also share this video. If you have any thoughts or comments, you can share them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.